In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on VT markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and open an account, either a live or a demo one. I'm going to demonstrate this with a demo account. And after you do this, you have two options. You can either open up your MT5 or MT4 on your computer. And if you want to actually connect your VT markets to MetaTrader, I have a video on that on my channel as well. So you can go ahead and check it out. But if you want to trade on web, go to webtrader.vtmarkets.com and you can select MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 up here, depending on whichever you selected. And then as you can see, it should automatically connect, or you can just go ahead and connect in here by yourself by typing in your credentials. You'll receive to your email, or if you go to MT5, select the one you want to use, for example, demo, and you can just connect to your account using your login and password, which you receive to your email upon creating your demo account. So that's pretty much how you can trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.